Hi everybody, my name is Shar and I'm a licensed advanced esthetician here at Renew You Medical Spa. Today I'm here to briefly talk to you about BBL photofacials. BBL stands for broadband light, and this is actually our device right here. So BBL is made by a company called Cyton. You may also hear this referred to as IPL, which stands for intense pulse light, or some people may call it a laser, but technically this is not a laser. So what does this machine do? Well, number one, photofacials. Photofacials are a corrective series that help reduce and diminish the looks of browns and reds in the skin. So that's brown pigmented spots from sun damage, or reds in the skin like broken capillaries, angiomas, rosacea, or just underlying redness. When you are completing a corrective series, we usually start with 3 treatments, 4 weeks apart, 3 months in a row. You should have prepped your skin with a skin lightener like hydroquinone or a more natural lightener. You should be using an exfoliant like a retinol, and 365 days a year you should be wearing sunscreen. So we do require that you prep the skin 2 to 4 weeks in advance, and then you use these products throughout your corrective treatments. It will just give you a much better, more controlled result. Other things that we do with this machine, there's a treatment called Skin Tight. That's typically done on the neck and lower face. That is where we heat the skin and it causes collagen production and skin firming. And lastly, we do temporary hair reduction with this machine. You'll also hear this referred to as laser hair removal, but like I said earlier, this is not a laser, it's a broadband light. So the machine itself targets pigments in the skin, whether that be brown pigments from sun damage, red pigments from capillaries, or a brown hair follicle. That being said, the machine does not treat blonde, gray, or fine hair, maybe even light brown and strawberry blonde. Those are also questionable. So it does work best on a darker hair pigment in the follicle. Of course, all of these treatments should be backed up with medical skincare regimens. And after you've completed any corrective series, whether that be a photofacial series or a skin tight series or a hair removal series, there will be some maintenance. Results are not permanent. We're not with you 365 days a year. So after you get your corrective series for brown pigments, it's imperative that you protect your investment by always using SPF, and of course just generally being cautious of how much you're in the sun. That will help keep your results fresh and your pigments from returning. Same goes for skin tight and for temporary hair reduction. Some maintenance is required where you might have to come in once or twice a year, and everything is different with every person. So that of course is just based on your individual needs. Throughout the month of November on our Facebook and Instagram, we'll be posting demos of different treatments that our BBL machine can do. If you do have any questions, be sure to pop them on in the comments. These treatments do require a consultation, which are always complimentary, so you can feel free to book online or give our office a call to set up a consultation if you are interested in BBL photofacials, skin tight, or our hair reduction services. So I hope this was helpful in explaining what BBL is and what it does, and look for more details coming up here in November on all of our social media accounts. Thanks, have a great day everybody.